Hello, this is Dewey Maui from Hammer, Montana. It's on holidayvillage.com, and today is Friday, August 23rd, 2019, and let me have to take a look at your HP Hewlett-Packard machine from 1999, and let's go ahead and get started right here. Alright, introducing Hewlett-Packard machine for Windows 98. And this PC requires from 1999, and always says to make me happen. Alright, let's take a look at your machine. What we got?
My goodness,
And boom. Look at all the plugins right here. Unbelievable. So here is the left side. There's the right side. Looking on the back. And the front. And you always says because I just have to see it. And you know, the logo, the top, and the bottom. So what I can see here is that I'm gonna get to see it. I'm gonna run 198, and it always says you have to protect us on the fly. So I got the Pentium 2 is already set up because it just always did, and here we just did. I just see that way. I got it's set for Windows 7 laptop, and always says because I would just have to protect us on the fly. Now he's always says because I have to see it there. Let me see what you want. So we got this protect us on the fly. So let's put it back up. Here we go. Much better. And here is a button controller. See? Got these things that are about here. Okay, so anyways, you gonna have this responsible person, and I always says because to see it, and I got our check Windows 7 Ultimate, again to see it, which is that they got this product here is all set up because sometimes it all we just did. You have to put everything in, and you set up programs, and all sorts of things. So that is next. The C case is going to be right here. Oh, great. HP Hewlett-Packard Pavilion 6330 running Windows 98 FE. So that is cool, huh? And now I'm going to see here is that I just have to see that way. First of all, I just had to boot it up about 6 years ago. Below are the specs. Sorry about that. Okay, we got the instruction here. Or let me go ahead and get the instruction. Oh, stupid ads. Okay, you have to see here is that I don't have to see that way. We gotta make sure is everything all set up because sometimes I know we just did. Put a thing in. So let's take a look at your instruction guide. Discover, create, and explore. I already got the instruction right here. So I can see that way. Oh, that's pretty cool, huh? You got our HP Pavilion 6330. Another broad is captured on YouTube by Hunter's Pad. So as a YouTube creator, makes it sure is on a website at hp.com. So I have to see here is that I'll bet you will take a look at the instructions and see how it wants. You got our you got this Pavilion processor. Make sure I guess it's about to set up. Such as it always says here, they got applications used to run Windows 98 First Edition on June 25th, 1998. Such as HP Personal Centers, Internet Explorer 4, Outlook Express 4, and Personal Center. Personal Guide. Make sure you don't have to do it all set up. But you still have to see it. And of course, easy internet access because it's supposed to it. So that is next. This smells something new. Alright. There we go. We're about to press the monitor up. Monitor powered on. As you see, so I'm going to have to boot it up because I just have to see that way because I'm just going to have to see it. I have to get this as it is. Such as it always says that you have to run Windows 98 First Edition on your HP Hewlett-Packard Pavilion 6330 in January 1999. And I just have to see it. And then you always say to make me happy to them. I just set up to see it that way. I used it to get the power switch. So that is first and see it. So I'm gonna get this to get it's set for the machine here. I'll just close out it and open. So that's what you have to see it that way. And I always say you have to see it, you have to get the power on the fly. But this always says because you have to see it. And then this machine used to run Windows 98 or Windows 95. So that's next. It'll tell you all about the years. So let's boot it up. Here we go. Oh, yes. Hewlett-Packard expanding possibilities. So like you see here, it's got the new boot screen. You're about to have to download on archive.org and somebody got to see that way. This machine used to run Windows 95 or Windows NT. So pretty. Sometimes they always say they have to load it up, and just when all we just did, you have to make sure what it does. We're just about to start to load up. You're getting close. And you have to see that way. And it has as soon as possible. Okay, I'll do that for now. Well, I guess there was no sound on here, Yeah, I can see that way. Alright, here we go. This is your greatest PC used to run Windows 98 on here. You got this one called Underwater Desktop theme on here. And it always says you have to get this, usually you have to get those launch on these icons. So I have to see here. Yeah, I just have to worry about Windows 98 First Edition. Build 1998. Register to me. Alright, let me hit it. Okay for now. Now this thing you still have to see it. And let me get this one. That's what we got. We'll go ahead and type WinBur. See? Also we need you got to see it, and we have to get it's how supposed to it. What about Windows 98? Copyright 1997. So this thing have to do is like about quick time. Windows 95. Okay. So this thing have to do is that I usually got the high speed performance there. So what I have to do is I have to go to our Microsoft Word for Windows. Alright, start using your Word. Hold on. I'll do nothing. Oh, come on. Oh, no. There. HP. Alright, you get to see that way. This machine requires from January 1999. The Windows 98 was manufactured on June 25th, 1998. I'll just hit no for now. Alright. So I got this thing I got here. And got out there and got to install applications like Sesame Street Music Maker, Create and Draw an Almost World, Microsoft Games, Hasbro, and all kinds of stuff. So this thing I have to do is that I'm gonna have to install this Making Word CD is requires and reprint requires from May 2003. Alright, let's put this thing here. All I have to do, let me go and do Holiday Treasures fonts. Click install our fonts. Well, we just hit enter. Installation is completed. Let's get back to normal. What about here? Let's do our images. Install images. Oh, I'll stay tuned for more information. We got our images right here, and then a responsible person. Let's just get back to it. So what you see here is the Sesame Street. Let's make a word. So what you see is it has supposed to it. Let me go ahead and exit for now. Oh, nuts! So there you go. Windows 98 on your HP Pavilion 6330 on here. So let me go ahead and shut her down now. And obviously you're supposed to it. Yeah. Whoa, that's kind of loud. Alright, let's get back to our laptop. So what you see here is you got the you get this internet access, and you have to protect this on the fly. And so many mains, you always says you have to get the USB support. Turn always says, we always says you get this about Hewlett-Packard has many possibilities. You have to protect this on the fly. And always says you guys always have to worry about the USA. So you got about 30 million, and you got the PCs out there. So there you go. Now I have to go ahead and exit this video, and I'll be see you guys later. And this is Stewie Melly signing off on August 23rd, 2019. Goodbye.